Beginner Gym Workouts Guide. If you're overweight and ready to start working out, there are many simple and effective exercises that can help you get started. Many people who are trying to lose weight are jumping on the gym wagon without being informed about the proper way to do it. Performing a simple but effective technique is not going to improve your cardio performance. Instead, try focusing on a simple yet effective technique that will help strengthen your core. The more you hold on to a piece of equipment, the more restrictive it is. The harder it is to get into a proper position and burn more calories. This technique will help you get used to the equipment and will prevent you from slouching. If you are using gym equipment to catch up on reading, then you're not getting a proper workout. Never walk with weights. Doing so will limit your ability to get into a more exaggerated stance and will cause your body to move in a more unnatural manner. Contrary to popular belief, doing only cardio exercises will not help you achieve the results you desire. In fact, doing strength training will help rebuild the muscle that you lost during your 30s. If you are going to the gym to exercise, do it face-to-face or in person. If you are going to the gym to socialize, then you should not be doing cardio while talking to or holding onto hand grips. Personal trainers want their clients to get the best results possible. They do this by making sure that they are teaching their clients how to properly use weights. Never copy the moves of another client or trainer. Instead, develop a training plan based on the client's goals and form. You should check the weights on a machine that the trainer used. If they are too much or too little, make sure that you are using the right amount. To get the best results, you need to lift weights regularly. Doing so helps increase lean muscle and burn more calories. Not only are you wasting time, but it's also taking away from other clients. This is why it's important to complete your set before heading to another machine. Not only can dropping weights cause injury, but they can also damage the floor. This is an important tip to remember when doing a hard weight lifting workout. After sweating on a machine, make sure to wipe it down. It helps keep the gym clean and sanitary. A good beginner's option is to do a full body workout 3 times a week. This will give you a balanced workout routine that will help you burn fat quickly. At the start by building up your cardio routine. Once you're comfortable doing this, start incorporating interval training if necessary. Before you start your gym session, it is important that you have a clear idea of what you will be doing and how many reps you will need. Having a definite plan will help you reach your goals and avoid making any mistakes. It is crucial to enter the gym focused. Even if you are not a gym member, mentally preparing for a gym session is key. The most successful bodybuilders force themselves to grow. They do it by focusing on the next rep. To ensure that you get the nutrients needed for a successful and intense weight training session, make sure that you consume carbohydrate and protein sources at least 2 hours before your exercise begins. Water is also an important part of a healthy and effective gym routine. To ensure that you're getting enough fluid, make sure that you consume at least 1/2 of your body weight in ounces each and every day. One of the biggest mistakes that bodybuilders make is not tracking their progress. Without measuring their progress, they generally do not improve. You are in the gym to get results. If you are not focused on doing your work, then you are not going to get those results. Don't listen to Joe Bodybuilder's new theory on building muscle. Instead, follow the proven scientific principles that have been proven to work. After you have packed your bag, it's time for a high-intensity workout. It is time for you to go to the gym and start growing. Before your high-intensity training session, take in 2 to 3 portions of complex carbohydrates with a single part protein. This will help in muscle recovery and build muscle. Most people don't have time to go to the gym, but there are some exercises that can help get the most out of their time. The main thing to do when going to a gym is to make sure that the exercises are designed to burn fat quickly. This is because doing HIIT sessions will help you get the body you want in a shorter time frame. You can increase your metabolism by doing high-intensity interval training, HIIT. This type of training helps burn fat and build muscle. Using the treadmill will help you get the most out of your HIIT sessions. When running on a treadmill, you are using both your upper and lower body to lose as many calories as possible. You should also use it properly to get the most out of it. If you are starting out with a bad back or are struggling to get started with a fitness program, then try and start with a quick 25-minute run on the treadmill. The next best thing to use after the treadmill is the rowing machine. It is a great way to get in shape and it helps you tone and recovers from a hard day at the gym. Changing the resistance can help you increase the intensity of your training. You should exercise on the rowing machine empty stomach once again in order to burn the highest possible intensity. Several warm-up sets are recommended before starting a muscle-hard program. This pattern is usually the case for young athletes. Getting your mind focused on the task at hand is as important as the music. This is especially important when using equipment such as a bench press. It can be dangerous to do so since it can cause immense weight to fall off. If you feel like you have flu-like symptoms, postpone your workout for a few days. The high-intensity train consists of 3 exercises per day. You can do this every day or weekly. I recommend switching up your routine every 3 weeks to keep up with the progress. This will help you reach your goals and create a plan for success. A good gym workout plan is one that you do without fail. Aside from doing the right exercises and eating correctly, it is also about being able to do it without fail. A good gym workout plan depends on what you're after and what your goals are. For instance, if you're trying to lose weight, then you would want to do less weight and higher reps. If you want to know the best way to get the most out of your workout, then look no further. Click below.